Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are going to just focus on part A, part C, part E and part G. Okay, that's the questions that I'm going to work on for this particular question. And so, for part A, okay, so for part A, we have 18 is to 27. And I could actually divide both by 9, which is the lowest common multiple for both. And I will get 2 is to 3, and that is the simplest form. For part C, 1.5 is to 4.5. I would first change both into improper fraction. This will be 3 over 2 is to 9 over 2. And at this point, I would then multiply by 2, so that it will give me 3 is to 9. And finally, I'm going to divide by 3 on both ratio. Final answer, 1 is to 3. Alright. Now, let me just make sure that I got space for the last two that I'm going to go through here. So for part E, where we have a decimal, 0.250 is to 0.375. For this, we could actually make them equals to, I'm non-decimal, meaning I'm going to times 1000 on both sides. 250 is to 375, and I could then slowly, I'm going to just divide by 5, so that it will be 50 is to 75. And I realize, hey, I could actually divide by 25 on both sides, and that will give me a final answer of 2 is to 3. And the last example, G, where we are given 1.6 meter is to 36 cm. This is important. We must always make sure that the units are the same. So in this case here, right, I would actually multiply by 100 so that I will get 160 cm is to 36 cm. And from here, then I could slowly divide already. I realized both can be divided by 4. To give me 40 is to 9, and that actually is the simplest form. And do take note, it is really important that for final answer of ratio, we usually do not write down the units. Okay? So for final answer, try not to write down no units. Okay? For final answer, for ratio. Alright? With that, we have come to the end of this part of the video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to other videos.